Hi, I'm Beth the Builder, and today's honest guide to home repair is basic carpet installation. So, carpeting tools. Super simple. Hammer, pliers, measuring tape, utility knife. Get some gloves. Put some friggin' gloves on your hands, guys. Don't just be grabbing nails and with your bare hands. Put some shoes on, okay? Put some friggin' shoes on your feet. They don't have to be fancy steel-toed work boots. They can be friggin' tennis shoes. And then, once you have all those simple things, the two things that I used that were maybe somewhat specific that not everybody's going to have on hand: the staple gun and cut tacks. So next, we're going to install this new carpet. Here are all the measurements that I took for my stairs, and I definitely went a little overboard on measuring because I was super paranoid that I was going to cut the carpet wrong and it was not going to fit. But it was really unnecessary for me to measure this much. All I needed was really the longest measurement. Again, I didn't have any fancy tools for stretching and pushing the carpet into place, but because it was such a small area, I really wasn't concerned about it. And honestly, this carpet wasn't super stiff, so it was really easy to just like manipulate and smush into place. And the last word of advice, add a bunch of excess. So I added 3 to 4 inches of excess on the top and bottom of my carpet, and then it worked out really perfect that all I had to do was trim it. There you go. That's basic do-it-yourself carpet installation. Thanks for watching. Like, leave me a comment or a question, dislike if you don't like something, I guess, and subscribe if you want to learn more about honest home repair.